Hello, everybody. So today we're going to talk about thunderstorms. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says thunderstorms. We have a link for the reading. We have the practice questions, and we have my email where you can send your responses to. So let's take a look at this. So thunderstorms, how we know, what we know about them is we know they have heavy rains, they have lightning. Sometimes you'll see hail and high winds in the stronger thunderstorms. Um, Thunderstorms are very common, but especially where I'm originally from in the Midwest. I'm originally from Minnesota, so we'd get a lot of thunderstorms in the spring and the summer. So thunderstorms form when the ground is really hot and then the air near the ground becomes very warm and humid. Okay, the warm air is going to rise rapidly because remember, warm air rises, and this creates strong updrafts, so winds that are blowing upwards. So the rising air is going to cool, and the water vapor in that air is going to condense, so go from gas to liquid form, and the updrafts are going to create those tall cumulonimbus clouds. Remember, we learned about those earlier. Those are cumulus clouds that produce rain. All right, winds blow the cloud top sideways, and that is going to make the well-known anvil shape of the thunderhead cloud. Water droplets and ice are going to fly up through the cloud. When the droplets get heavy enough, they're going to fall. Okay, that starts a downdraft. A convection cell is going to form within the cloud, and then a mature thunderstorm is going to produce gusty winds, lightning, heavy rain, and hail. So that's basically, it's a big thunderstorm that's far along when it's mature. So we have where it's building up, the towering cumulus stage. We have where it's a full-on thunderstorm, the mature stage. And then we have the part where it's dying out, which is called the dissipating stage. So some features of a thunderstorm are lightning and thunder. Now, why lightning happens is because we have parts that are parts of the thunderhead cloud that have different charges. So some are negatively charged, some are positively charged. So the difference in charges is what's going to create lightning. Lightning is a release of electricity. It can jump between oppositely charged parts of the same cloud. It can jump between one cloud and another. It can jump between the cloud and the ground. So lightning blasts a lot of energy into the air, and then the air is going to heat up and expand so quickly that it explodes, and this is when we hear the sound of thunder. So the reason we hear thunder after lightning is because light travels faster than sound. Okay, if you count the seconds between the time you see lightning and hear thunder, you can get kind of an estimation of how far away the lightning was. So if you count about 5 seconds, it's about a mile away. So at the dissipating stage, the downdrafts are going to cool the air at the bottom of the cloud. So the air is no longer warm enough to rise. Convection is going to stop, and the thunderhead is going to run out of energy. So a thunderstorm lasts about 15 to 30 minutes, and it's possible for a new thunderstorm to start in the same area. A lot of thunderstorms form individually, and during some seasons they're going to form what you call squall lines, which is long lines of thunderstorms along a cold front. So make sure you finish your questions and turn them into me.